Welcome back, 10th standard. The next question that we have to do is question number 3 from exercise 11.2. Let's just follow what the steps are as instructed in your question. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Let us first draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. And let's name the center as O. This is the original circle that we have. Further, you have to take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeters from its center. So P and Q will be on the same straight line, and the distance of each of these points from the center will be 7 centimeters. So P distance from O will be 7, and the distance of point Q from the center O will also be 7 centimeters on the same straight line. That's very important. Both points P and Q will be on the same straight line passing through the center, the diameter. And as such, the distance between the points P and Q will be 14 centimeters. So I will be using the ruler. I'm going to place it in such a way that I have right here 7, and I will be marking points along here. So this is distance 7 centimeters on one side and distance 7 centimeters on the other side. So if this is the distance, if this is the center O, P from O is 7 centimeters away and Q from the center O is 7 centimeters away. I want to draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So I would like to draw tangents from these external points, and the steps to draw or to construct tangents from an external point include, first of all, the line segment which joins the center to the external point needs to be bisected so that we obtain the midpoint. In order to draw a circle with OP as diameter, we need the center, we need the midpoint of OP, and then the points of intersection of the circle that we will obtain with OP as diameter. That circle will intersect our original circle, and the point of intersection of those two circles will act as points of contact. We will join those point of contacts with point P in order to obtain the tangents. Let's see how we are going to do this. To draw the perpendicular bisector, we will need the compass opening more than half. So you need arcs on top and arcs on the bottom, and this is to be done from the other end as well, keeping the radius same. And we have the midpoint of OP. Let's name this as M. With M as center and radius MO or MP, we will draw a circle. This circle intersects our original circle at 2 points. Let's name those points as Q and R. We already have Q. Let's name them R and S. So this point can be named as R, and the second point of intersection can be named as S. Now we need to join point P with these points of contact. And here we have two tangents from point P. All these steps are to be repeated from the other side. Taking OQ as diameter, we will draw a circle. The circle will intersect our original circle at 2 points. Those 2 points will be the points of contact for the tangents drawn from point Q. And in order to draw that circle, which will help us find out the points of contact, we first need to find out the midpoint of this line segment OQ. For that, we need to construct a perpendicular bisector. So let's construct a perpendicular bisector of OQ. We would like to open the compass more than half. Fix the radius. Draw arcs on top and bottom. Similarly from the endpoint O. This will help us obtain the midpoint of the line segment OQ. Let's name the midpoint as N. With N as center, now we are going to draw another circle which will pass through NQ and intersect our original circle at 2 points, and those 2 points will be the points of contact. Now N will be the center and the radius will be equal to NQ or NO. Let's fix the radius and draw a circle. Mark the points of intersection. Let's name these as T, the second point of intersection as U. We will be joining now the external point Q with T and with U. So these are the tangents, and you can write down your answer, that PR PS are tangents from P, and QT QU are tangents from point Q.